Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional in today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 21st, 2023. And I've here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. They call it also a tectonic. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku number 7136. 7136. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 29 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one because the 3 stars puzzle, usually it has 25 printed digits. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. 29 Sudoku with 0 stars. Need to be faster than 15 or 14 minutes. 14 or 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 0 stars or a 3 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 4 in the set column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 6 goes there. Let me go to this side. In this big square we have 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7 and 8 is missing, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. Well, 1, 1, 5 and the 8. Well, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about the 2 in this column, the 2 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, only 3 place left with 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, 3rd row, no 2 there, here 2 in the 2nd row, no 2 there, so the only place left with 2 should be there. 2 in the 3rd column, 2 in the 1st column, so the column between the 2nd column, only 2 place left with 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 place left with 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. Okay. Let me think. 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes here. 9 in this row, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left with the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the 2nd column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the 1st column, 9 in the 2nd column. So in the 3rd column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the 2nd row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here 9 in that column, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Let me see. How about 5, 5. 7. Come on. 7. How 8 here. 7, 8, and the 4. 7, 8, and the 4. 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 in this second column. No 4 there. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. So 1 is left in this big square for number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the second row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 6. 3, 3. Come on. I've marked those two boxes a little bit as 7. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and a 3, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Then 8 and the 5, 8 and the 5, okay. 8, 5 and the 1. How about 3, 3, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. About 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 1, 1. Yeah. No. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4, okay. One box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Let me see. Two numbers 1 and 5. Well. 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Two numbers left in the middle column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 7, 8 is missing. 5, 6, yeah. 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 8 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Then let me think. 1 and a 5. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 5. It should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 3 and 8 in the last column, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3, 3, 3, correct. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And the final number in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. Finished in 30 minutes. Well, 30 minutes. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It's a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.